If you're anything like me, you probably find it hard to find time to vacuum your house. That's why I became such a big fan of the iRobot Roomba, and this latest version that I just purchased is the i7 Plus, and I got this because it's the self-cleaning version. How amazing is that? I bought this in order to replace an old version that I had. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. I've been using this one for about 4 years now, and it was just time for an upgrade. I was tired of emptying it every time. Here's a quick unboxing so you can see everything that's all included in here. This is the i7 Plus version, and so it comes not only with the Roomba itself, but with this self-cleaning apparatus slash charging unit. And here's my little helper here making sure it's all set up properly. Here's a quick peek at what it looks like. In order to get it started, you just simply hit the clean button here. And away she goes. I cannot tell you how many hours this amazing invention has saved me. I really don't vacuum my house anymore. The Roomba does so much of it for me. I'm completely obsessed with this. I highly recommend grabbing one of these if you're a busy mom, busy parent, busy anyone. As you can see, it just glides around my house. Super simple, super easy. You can also download the app. There's a great app here that'll help with automating, turning it on, turning it off. And there it goes. Love my new Roomba. Highly, highly recommend.